Welcome to Piet. Hi, I'm Jacob. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this simple animated effect. So let's get started. First step is open Blender and create a new general file. Click on the camera, remove its rotation by pressing Alt-R, then press Alt-G to set it back to the origin. Now, we just need to lift it up above the cube, press 0 on the numpad to make sure you can only see the cube. And now it's time to go to the shading workspace. Once you're here, go back to the camera view by pressing 0 on the numpad, click on the cube. All we need to create this effect is a noise texture and a color ramp. Press Shift A and click Search. Type noise and pick the regular noise texture. Now we do the same for the color ramp. Now connect them all up. The noise's color should connect to the color ramp and the color ramp to the principal BSDF node, like so. Now we just need to change the values. For the principal BSDF, change the specular to 0 and the roughness to 1. Now for the color ramp, we click the black tab thing and set the position to 0.38 and click the white tab and drag it all the way left. Now for the noise, we change it to 4D and change the scale to roughly 30. The detail to 4 and set the roughness to 1. Now we just need to animate. On the noise texture, click on the W and type #frame. This is going to be way too fast, so we need to slow it down. Go over to the output properties, change the frames to 12, because we're going to slow it down to 2 frames a second, which will give us 6 seconds of runtime. Change the file format to FFmpeg, and here's a tip. If you want it to output to where your current Blender file is, set the output as //. So save the file, then click Render Animation. Now, when you want to use it, if you're using Blender, open the sequencer, drag the output video you just created in, and move it to the start. Now, when you need to slow it down, click Add, then Effect, then Speed Control. Click back onto the blue video clip on the right, click Time, and set the duration to 144 frames. Add some text on top, or what, and then you have it. Thanks for watching.